Hello. These are strange times indeed. I just thought something that I've really enjoyed doing, and maybe if you've got kids, they would too. Let's be honest, McDonalds is sure, and we all like a McMuffin. So basically, I had a look online and found some ways of making these things. So basically, I'm going to make a bacon McMuffin. You can use a vegetarian option. There's not a lot in them, let's be honest. But the main thing is actually it's the eggs, so I'll show you that. But I just thought I'd do something different. Now personally, I'm just going to toast the McMuffins. I have seen videos where people basically douse them in butter or stick them in a pan full of butter and fry them. I'm not doing that because to me, frankly, there's enough sort of natural juices, if you get what I mean. Don't get me wrong, I've only been cooking for about a year, so this is all new, but you get what I'm saying. So I don't want it too greasy. Right though, now these are the key things. These are, well, I've heard American calling them mason jar lids. But basically, as I say, it's these little things, to give you an idea. They're around about maybe 5 inches across. And this is basically how you get the egg, the shape it is. And I'll try and show you the technique that I've come up with for this. I'm only going to do it once, so if it goes wrong, fair enough. But makes it more real. Right, number 2, let's have a go. That's better. Right, so you break the yolk. You make sure the yolk is broken when it goes in. Don't ask me why, it's just something I got told. That's better. Doesn't help that I shake naturally, honestly. It's not the pressure. But then this was the key thing. Right, I'm going to start the stopwatch. Okay. For 2 minutes, but just before I do that, put in about 2 tablespoons of water and then find something to stick over the top. Let's wait and see. Okay, so that's steaming away now, so coming up to 2 minutes. Let's see. You can actually get the lid off. That was a close one. Oh man, yeah. Right, so what you now need basically is just to lift these out. Just get, I don't know what you call these, but the things that make sure that your hands don't hurt. So let's just see if I can lift that up. Voila. Here's the second one. Don't worry, that's the bacon juice. As I say, I don't bother to butter it. Right, then just flip them for about, let's say about 20-25 seconds. So let me just get one up. It is quite hot, this. There's one, there's 2. So just counting on. Okay, right, now ready to plate up. As I say, just to show the young people, you can have greens with these things as well. People might go, you need a mix of greens. I'm just of the opinion, I'm having some greens, what's your problem? So, look at it, it looks like proper, doesn't it? It's alright. So we do miss Mackie D's. I do miss these. It's the one thing of theirs that I do enjoy. So cheap cheese. You need really cheap cheese. This is what I realised. You get expensive stuff, it just doesn't work. So I think you call them Kraft slices. So that's on there. Now normally they say 1 bit of bacon. We're not bothering with that. Let's have a few more. This is basically my lunch, so you know it needs to be reasonably substantial. So there we go. And pop the top on. And there you go, a McMuffin. So fair play McDonald's, that was a great idea. I'm not trying to nick anything from you, but we're missing you. But I hope you've all enjoyed that, something completely different, and it won't become a regular series either.